Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a Tiffany table for two. Come on with me, guys. Okay, so let's get started. Now here we have the two silver placemats. These placemats came from the Dollar Tree and they are so beautiful. Then I have the tablecloth, and that was a thrifted item. Now the runner is a gifted item. The floral piece that you see right there was a DIY that I made, and of course we have a little gift as a candle for tonight's table. Now we have the chargers, and these white chargers came from Hobby Lobby. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. And Tablescape Tuesdays is my favorite time of the week. It's every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where you could choose any color, style, or theme, unless we bring in a guest, and then the guest gets to choose any color, style, or theme. Doesn't that sound fun? Now, aren't these dishes absolutely gorgeous? I fell in love with them. So I was thrifting at the Goodwill, and so this was an absolutely amazing buy. I love the style of these dishware. It's just lovely, guys. And so these were perfect for the theme that we're going for today. Now, always remember to head on over to my community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. You will also see the thumbnails. Please join us because we are having an amazing time with these collaborations. Now, coming up this week, right after Tablescape Tuesdays, is the Ribbons and Bows collaboration. All right, so heading on over to the glassware. Well, the Dollar Tree is carrying this beautiful tinted glassware in that blue. So we do have different shades of blue here on this table, but I am absolutely loving it. I think it's perfect for the summer season. Now, let's not forget that next week on Tablescape Tuesdays, we have a guest, and it's Jennifer at home, and I'm so excited. The theme is wildflowers. So now the flatware, that came from Party City. And then we have these napkins, and these napkins were a gifted item. The napkin rings, the Dollar Tree's carrying, and they're part of the nautical section. Now, doesn't this tablescape look absolutely amazing? It's so romantic looking too. So here we are at the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.